Hello and welcome. My name is James from Aetina. I'm the product manager of Device Edge. Today we are taking the first look at Aetina's latest Jetson Thor Preview Kit. It's designed for physical AI and robotics developers around the world. We are excited to introduce the AIB-THOR-ES, powered by NVIDIA's most advanced Jetson T5000. This kit is built to accelerate physical AI applications, from humanoid robots to intelligent edge agents. With up to 2070 teraflops, it delivers cutting-edge AI performance to seamlessly run the latest generative AI models. Here you can see the optimized chassis for developer, feature the dual-side vent for efficient cooling and a compact design to save the valuable workspace. On one side, all of the I/Os are conveniently aligned, making winding and sensor integration simple for your robotics project. From here, we have two USB Type-A, one OTG, one RJ45 inserted port, one HDMI, one display port, two USB Type-C, one QSFP28, and one microFIT port for power adapter. On the top cover, you will find three buttons: power, reset, and recovery. Inside there's an M.2 slot with a pre-installed 1TB NVMe SSD, plus an M.2 E-key slot with the optional Wi-Fi 6E modules for flexible connectivity. In the box, you'll find the power adapter and cables, everything you need to get started right away. The kit comes pre-installed with JetPack 7, giving developers direct access to NVIDIA's Isaac, Holoscan, and Metropolis software stacks, making it easier than ever to accelerate robotics development. As an NVIDIA Elite Partner, Aetina combines system expertise with a powerful Jetson platform to help you build the next generation of robotics and AI agents. The Jetson Thor Preview Kit shipping now. Get yours today and start building the future with Aetina.